Yes nga, ate.
Oo, kasi parang recently, di ba, may sinagot ka yata ng isang basher na
Oh, yeah.
ibinigay ka doon sa isang upcoming star.
Yeah, yeah.
Oo.
Kasi the thing is, she's my classmate lang. The story there is, nag-live stream siya. Tapos nag-live stream siya, nag-rehearsal kami. Tapos tinutok niya na sa akin yung camera. Kasi we're all, magkakasama naman kaming lahat eh. Then, yan lang. Screenshot lang yung ano. And then I just answered to the person na took that into offense. Sabi ko lang, wala. She just pointed the camera lang at me. What's the issue there? So, and then, with that single screenshot, gagawa ng ibang tao ang complete narrative. Meron silang 5 pages na ano, 5 pages ng story na, yeah, they make an essay on why I'm a bad person, ganyan, why I'm, yeah, ganyan. But like, for me lang naman, just before you speak, isip ka muna.
So, na-offend ka sa mga ganong syempre fake news.
Yeah, of course, kasi of course, it's nakaka-offend like bilang artist. Kasi for me, you're creating something that basically from nothing. Ano kasi Diyos? You're making stories about people who you barely know about, who you don't know their lives. And then the moment na see something that doesn't favor you, you create something just to, wala, just to make fuzz lang on the internet. So, for me, I just wanted to shut that person down lang.